everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 607 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another product that the brand Focallure sent to me. This is the Diamond Glow highlighter that I got in the shade Golden Crystal. So if you hadn't seen on my Instagram, I got a bunch of really exciting products sent to me, honestly for free, from the brand Focallure. But so I just wanted to give you that disclaimer ahead of time that I was sent these products for free, but of course, as I'm reviewing them, the thoughts, the opinions are all my own. There was no persuasion from the brand. This is not a sponsored video, but I did already try out their matte liquid lipstick, and it is truly one of my favorite matte liquid lipstick formulas I've ever tried. So long lasting, such full, amazing pigment, like the most pigment I think I've ever seen in a lipstick, and a beautiful shade. So if you want to see my review on that, I will have that video linked down below. But since I loved that product so much, it just made me that much more excited to try out the rest of the products that I received. This is cute packaging. I'm so excited to see how the product packaging looks. And also, Focallure is a cruelty-free brand. Glow. This really does look like... I didn't fully... Okay, do you see what that says right there? They spelled glow wrong. It says gowl. 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 That's too bad. At first I was like, oh my gosh, this looks like high-end packaging. And then you notice the typo. Gold. That's a bummer. But hopefully the product is still good. I mean, the packaging feels really nice. There's this nice mirror. Here's the product, a big pan. It's pretty. It has these embossed diamond shapes in it. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that's spelled wrong. All of the people that probably had to approve this packaging. Oh, it has that nice magnetic closure. Seriously, such nice packaging, except for the typo. But so this comes in 4 different shades. I have what I would consider the lightest shade, number 1, Golden Crystal. It retails for $22, but it's on sale on their website right now for $11.49. I also have a discount code, which is Christy, that'll get you 25% off. And that's just a coupon code for you. I'm not making any money off of it, but that's a fantastic deal on a highlighter, especially a highlighter of this size. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of that pink shade as well. I love that it's gold, but then you can also add a little bit of pink to it because of that little diamond in the center. But oh my gosh, wow, this is already looking super pigmented. Oh, beautiful. And that is a perfect shade, I would say, for my fair skin, because on the swatch, compared to kind of how it looked in the pan here, it's looking a little bit more of a white gold, which I think is super pretty. I love this shade also for highlighting the brow bone, the inner corners of the eyes. So I'm really excited about this. Like, look at that reflective glow. So pretty. Okay. So it does say that applying it with the fingertips is the way to get the most, pigment, blinding effect. But to start out, I am going to go in with my fan brush here and just pick up some product, and that way we can kind of build up how it will look. So I'm going to start out by applying it to the cheeks. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Such a pretty, pretty glow. It already shows up with great pigment. Oh my gosh, this is going to be such a blinding highlighter if I want it to be. Or you could just apply a light amount with a fluffy brush like this and get that beautiful glow. It blends out beautifully. It looks seriously amazing on the skin, on top of my makeup. It looks so smooth and even. Wow, I really love that. Okay, now on the other side, I'm going to apply it with my finger and see how blinding I can make it. Yes. Oh my gosh. But as you can see, it is blendable applying it with the finger as well, so you can get more of that toned down glow from applying it with your finger if you just go in with a light amount and then you kind of blend it out. I really like how that technique looks as well. Oh my gosh, that already has enhanced my skin so much. Seriously, like this color is gorgeous. The formula is gorgeous. You know, I was a little bit nervous about how this would perform because of the typo here, but no, this product is so good. Okay, now I'm going to build this up. Seriously, like, oh my gosh, you can get the most blinding highlighter. Oh wow, I love this. I seriously love this highlighter. I rarely wear a highlighter that blinding. I think, you know, just this light amount of glow is my perfect amount, but you know, for the fun of it, it's great to see how blinding this can be. Okay, now I really want to apply a little bit to the brow bones. Oh, such a pretty, look at that enhancing shade. Perfect color for the brow bone highlight. Now I'm going to do a little bit into the inner corners. So perfect that this shade can look so good on the cheeks, but then also be a brightening shade for the inner corners. Because I actually am pretty picky about what shade I put in the inner corner, because if it's at all too dark, it really does the opposite effect of brightening and enhancing my eyes. But no, this is so pretty, so perfect. Do a little bit onto the nose. It's got such good pigment that if I only want like a touch of highlighter, I have to be very careful not to pick up too much. Oh, wow. I feel so radiant, so glowing. I love this. I keep saying that, but I'm blown away by how good it looks on the skin, how gorgeous that reflection is, how pretty that shade is. This is one of my favorite highlighters I've ever used. Like, no lie, I am so impressed by this brand so far. The lipstick is one of my new favorite lipsticks. This is actually probably my new favorite highlighter. This is the highlighter that I'm going to add to my collection to wear daily now. It's that good, that perfect. I have a lot of traveling coming up, and this is perfect to bring because I can use it as my highlighter, my inner corner, my brow, even on the eyelids to add some shimmer there. So this is just all around the most perfect, versatile highlighter that I have in my collection. The only imperfection is that typo. So, you know, I'm curious, if you have this highlighter, let me know in the comments down below if yours also has the typo. But also, I would just love to know your thoughts on this highlighter. If you've tried it out or if you plan to try it out in the future, let me know. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.